Today, we will show you how to activate your Garmin inReach device. For this video, we will be activating an inReach Mini. These steps will also work for all other inReach devices. To set up the account, you'll need a valid credit or debit card and a computer or mobile device with internet access. Today, we will show you this process using a computer. Start by powering on your inReach. Next, on your computer, open an internet browser and navigate to the explore.garmin.com page. If you already have a Garmin account, select Sign In. If you don't, select Create a new account. Then select New inReach account and select Personal Plan. Next, enter the imei number and authorization code from the inReach device. If you need help finding the imei number, select the image that matches your device. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions. Then choose the country that matches your billing address from the drop-down and select Next at the bottom of the page. Next, enter your personal information. Make sure to enter the email address you used for your account and click Create Account when complete. Continue entering in your personal information on the next page, including emergency notes if necessary. Then select Next. Following that, enter your emergency contact information. These are the individuals that will be contacted in case of an emergency. Once that information has been entered, click Next. Now it is time to choose the plan that is right for you. Choose either Contract or Freedom Plan. Then choose your plan option. You can select the Safety, Recreation, or Expedition plan. Selecting the Details link will give you more information about the plans. You can also check out our video on subscription plan options. Once you have selected your plan, select Next at the bottom of the page. If necessary, choose any additional GEOS membership benefits. This is not required, but may be helpful to those looking for additional benefits. Once you've finished, select Next. Now, enter your billing information and select Next. Select Add New Card to enter in your credit card information. After that is complete, select Next. Review your account information, then select Activate Account. Check the box to agree to the terms, then select Complete Activation and follow the on-screen instructions. When instructed, take the inReach device outside with a clear view of the sky. It may take 20 minutes or more to complete the activation. Then, a test message will automatically be sent to confirm a successful activation. Once activated, ensure you sync your device. The final step before going out on your adventure is making sure to sync your inReach device. You can do this by using the Plans and Devices tab on your Explorer kit. Then select Sync and Update. Follow the instructions on this page to sync your account with your inReach device. This ensures you have the latest firmware available and that your changes to your messages or contacts are applied. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.